How to make a meeting in Google Meet on iPad. Let me talk about it. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the point is that you want to create your own one. And the way that it works is that you, of course, need to have the Google Meet app ready. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Everything is supposed to work as usual. And the point is that you're going to click on the button at the bottom, which is this blue one saying new. And you have like the plus icon there. And this gives you the ability to start it in multiple different ways. First of all, some suggested contacts can be clicked on and you can literally just call them, right? Or set up a connection between them. But if you want to just create a meeting, I would just create a link like so, and then it comes up with a specific link which you can copy and share with other people. And when you both join through that link, or even like more people can join, of course, you'll be able to just connect and have a call, have a meeting. So you can create it like this, that you set up a link. However, you can also click on the schedule option, which not only does or create the link, but it also puts it into a calendar event. So it also attaches a time for that meeting. So that might be useful. You can also do it like the other way around, meaning that you can open up your Google Calendar and hold down on any place to start like a new event. And you can also see that you can add like the video conferencing, and by default it's going to come up with a custom Google Meet link, right? So you can also create it through the Google Calendar as well. So yeah, again, to recap, we have the two options. Either you set up a link, you literally click on create a link within the Google Meet and you can share it however you want with other people, or you can also set up an event in your Google Calendar where you can add a guest right here, or set up the title, the exact time and everything, and also add the video conferencing. So it's going to come up with the distinct Google Meet link for that particular occasion. So that's how you can set it up. Let me know if it worked out well for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.